Welcome to Paperless Preparation, how to use your iPad to nail your preparation. This course is for interpreters working in all kinds of fields, including conference, court, and community interpreters who want to rock paperless preparation on their iPad. In this course, you'll learn how to use your Apple tablet to research for an assignment, organize your files, and annotate them so key information is easy to find when it matters. This course is interactive. Grab your iPad and work through along with us. Completing it will take you between 1 and 2 hours. We've included over a dozen short videos to walk you through every step of the preparation process. You'll learn how to mind map, explore new subjects and master the jargon, streamline preparation with multitasking, organize your documents, get files into the right format, and annotate your materials. Every lesson includes one or more interactive activities to practice what you've learned. Of course, you can watch the videos and do the activities as many times as you'd like. After a few short lessons, you'll be ready to prepare paperlessly for assignments with ease. Let's get started.